The BMW Group is opening a new chapter in its history with the unveiling of a pure electric Gran Coupe. It provides a whole new take on the dynamic excellence for which BMW is renowned and blends a modern, elegantly sporty design with the spaciousness and functionality of a four-door Gran Coupe, all while generating zero local emissions. The perfectly resolved Gran Coupe proportions create an authentic, modern, and confident appearance. The long wheelbase, fastback roofline, and short overhangs form a basic profile brimming with elegance and dynamism. With its four doors, the BMW Concept i4 offers not only a high level of everyday usability and practicality, but also a much larger interior than the car's modern and dynamic proportions would immediately suggest. Blue elements in the front end, flanks and rear end point to the car's BMW I origins. They shine a spotlight on the signature BMW I icons and bring the technology below the surface to the fore. The blanked-off kidney grille and clear aero lips provide detailed examples of sophisticated airflow engineering at work. Another distinctive area of the car are the wheel rims. These have been designed exclusively for the BMW Concept i4 and blend aerodynamic and lightweight design. The prominent, closed-off kidney grille provides a tangible connection between the past and future of BMW. The grille teases the technology behind the scenes with a special design for this model. Two intricate, freestanding LED elements on either side integrate all of the requisite light functions. Clean surfaces and a small number of crisp lines around the grille create a contemporary front-end graphic with considerable visual impact. A BMW I-style blue accent in the grille surround sets the seal on the front-end styling. The rear of the BMW Concept i4 sits low over the road and cuts a broad, horizontally emphasized figure. The long, slim L-shaped rear lights continue the theme. Below the rear lights, the inward angled surfaces form aerodynamics enhancing lips and incorporate vertical air outlets. Further down, the rear apron has a forceful presence and enhances aerodynamic efficiency. The interior of the BMW Concept i4 focuses on those times when the driver chooses to pilot the car themselves. To this end, every element in the front of the cabin is trained on the driver. The new BMW Curved Display teams up with the steering wheel to reveal a new take on driver orientation and offers a look ahead to the display in the production versions of the BMW iNEXT and BMW i4. Here, the presentation surfaces of the information display and control display merge into a single unit inclined towards the driver. This screen grouping optimizes presentation of information and makes the display's touch operation more intuitive. Advanced display tech with non-reflective glass also removes the need for a shroud to shade the displays and therefore contributes to an extremely uncluttered and airy cockpit. The front section of the interior around the BMW Curved Display also majors on pared back design. The understated use of different materials and the fundamental arrangement of controls creates a modern yet also luxurious ambience. Accent strips in warm gold bronze blending to chrome lend the interior a high-class touch. The central control panel replaces a traditional gear lever with a toggle-type shifter. Elements such as the iDrive controller and seat memory buttons in the doors are finished in a classy crystal glass. The cloth leather combination for the seats, composed of microfiber with line graphics and natural leather tanned using olive leaf, sets a high-quality and sustainable seal on the interior. Integral head restraints for the front and rear seats add further to the sporting feel. The cutout in the head restraints is a classy detail that references sporty BMW models from the current lineup. The overall result is a clearly structured, bright and airy cabin which brings across the tranquility and authority of electric drive systems.